raise your hand if you feel sometimes a lack of confidence in what you do. And these are real questions. I'm not. Yeah. Right? Okay. So if you feel, because you may not, your answer may be no. That's fine. But if you feel a lack of confidence, what do you do? Thought that may be important. People don't buy from you because you are confident in you. They buy from you because they are confident in you. That's really important to make that distinction. Because sometimes we think, oh, I can't market myself because I'm not confident in myself. They don't care. They could give less of a shit about how confident you are in yourself. They just need to be confident in you. And this comes down to the point of view marketing. This comes down to the niche. Like, are you offering something specialized, relevant for them in some way? Yeah, is the point of view clear, coherent? Is the offer good? This is what's going to have them feel confident. It's not your inner world. That's not what they're, it's a part of it, but it's not the whole thing. So they buy from you because they're confident in you, not because you're confident in you. Another piece of evidence for this is, do you know the singer Robbie Williams in the UK? He's always terrified before he gets on stage. Yeah, he's like, he's shaking. And then he gets on stage and he kills it. But before he goes on stage, he's, a bundle of nerves. How many actors do you hear the stories about that they are actually deeply neurotic but then they do a great job on stage. So they're not worried about your internal world. So you can just take some pressure off. Yes, it's in there, but it's not as much of the story as people think. And also, I think confidence is a bit of a racket. What I mean is, there's two extremes of the thing, right? There's something that comes across as a lack of confidence, which is a kind of collapsing. I talk about this more in the starter kit, but it's when people make themselves very small. I'm super sorry, I don't want to take up any space. They're very familiar in the holistic scene, because that's most of the holistic scene. We tend towards collapse. I lose, you win, I'll charge less, it's okay. The important thing is your needs are met, mine don't matter so much. On the other side, there's the posturing, right? There's the puffing oneself up. This is most politicians you've ever seen. There's something kind of fake and plastic. It's not really confidence, it's a kind of overconfidence. Where it's like, I don't believe you. And then we think, I've got to find the middle ground, right? Where I don't collapse, but I'm not overconfident. And I want to suggest it's not a middle ground we're looking for, there's a higher ground, which is, my friends came up with this composure. And composure means, instead of saying confidence, just comfortable in your own skin. I think that's something better to aim for than confidence. Because as soon as people think confidence, they tend to this, right? Like, I'm bulletproof somehow. Rather than comfortable in your own skin, just loving yourself, respecting yourself, but not needing to be received in any particular way. When people aim at confidence, I just notice it goes askew. The same when people aim at authenticity. I just want to come across as authentic. What a mindfuck that is. Trying to be authentic in front of people. It's better to just aim at the truth. Aim at being helpful, and then the authenticity comes.